Greetings, I'm Senator Jeff Merkley, and Eid Mubarak to all of those of the Muslim faith across Oregon and throughout the world. Ramadan is a season for spiritual renewal, for reflecting on the gifts and blessings that we enjoy, and for giving to others, friends, neighbors, strangers who are less fortunate. Throughout this blessed and very unique Ramadan season, as our country and the world has confronted an unprecedented health crisis, our Muslim brothers and sisters in community after community have stepped up to care for others in incredible ways, serving on the front lines of our hospitals and health centers, delivering personal protective equipment to public health organizations, and through organizations giving millions of dollars to support anti-hunger and food security programs. Thank you to everyone in the Muslim community for all that you do, not just during Ramadan, but every day of the year, to help others and to help add to the strength and well-being of our nation. And best wishes as you celebrate this year's Eid festival, together with friends, family, and loved ones in a responsible, physically distant way, of course. Take care.
Salam alaikum. I hope this month was a time of peaceful reflection and generosity, especially given the challenges facing our world and communities from COVID-19. The end of Ramadan is always a celebration. However, this year is a little different with social distancing, but the meaning of this important celebration, family, hope, and righteousness, is more important than ever. I hope you and yours will enjoy a joyful breaking of fast. Eid Mubarak, from my family to yours.
Eid Mubarak. This is Congresswoman Stacey Plaskett. I pray and hope that you've had a blessed month, that the sacrifice you made during the daylight hours abstaining from food and drink for the pleasure of God has strengthened your beliefs and made you stronger. All of us are being tested during this time. At times, it feels like mankind is in loss. But as is reflected in your fasts, connecting and fasting in faith with 2 billion Muslims worldwide, we know that our faith and prayers to God, the one creator of heavens and earth, strengthens us. And we, as a global community, are uplifted by your sacrifice to fast and your advice to each other to be patient. This has been a holy time for many faiths, a time to reflect, to grow closer to God and to one another. I, for one, have been grateful for that benefit in the midst of so much loss and turmoil. May God be blessed with your intentions and accept your fast. May we be strengthened by our faiths, connected by our resolve, uplifted by your prayers, and steadfast in patience during these trying times. Eid Mubarak.
Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak. My name is Delegate Gabriel S. Severo, and I'm proud to represent Maryland's 39th District here in Montgomery County. And I'd like to extend my warmest greetings to you, our Muslim family, on the occasion of Eid al-Fitr. We live in difficult times with many of our neighbors, friends, families, our community, but most especially those who are marginalized that are in need. And so this Eid, I'd like to lift up the Islamic Society of Germantown right here in my district that is doing so much to build community, to give back, and to assist those most in need. I'm proud to represent a diverse and growing Muslim community here in District 39. Muslim Americans and the Muslim community have contributed so much to the fabric of America. They've contributed so much to our county, to our state, and to our country. And while some may choose to vilify and scapegoat Islam and Muslims, I want you to know that I will always stand with you in this fight, not just for justice, but dignity. Happy Eid, sisters and brothers.
This is Senator Mike Braun, and peace be with you to all who observe Ramadan. To my Muslim constituents and to Muslims around the country, I hope you've enjoyed this month of peaceful reflection and generosity.
Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak to everybody in the Muslim community. In the state of New Jersey, our Muslim community is strong. It adds to the richness and the diversity and the core values of our state and of our nation. This is not an easy time. And to have Ramadan fall into these days of the COVID crisis is especially challenging, as many of the traditions of one of our nation's great faiths have been made all the more difficult because of this pandemic. But God, I am so grateful for the spirit and the energy and the truth that the Muslim community is showing through their service activities, the volunteerism, the charity, and the richness that still is made evident even in these challenges. I want to thank you all for all that you do to make all of life better for all of New Jersey. I want to celebrate with you this time. And I also want to say, inshallah, we will be able to celebrate in person in the years ahead. Thank you, everyone.
Assalamu alaikum and Eid Mubarak. I wish that we could be together today. However, since we're all online, I hope that you and your families and loved ones are celebrating a beautiful Eid. And I look forward to a time when we can gather together and share hugs and handshakes once again. I'm especially missing seeing all of the ladies with your beautiful, colorful outfits today. It's always a special thing to see. And I want you to know that I'm here for you. I continue to serve our community, and I want to thank you all for all of the efforts that you've been making to make our community a better place for everyone. This is a meaningful time for us, and I'm looking forward to, again, when we can gather together. Thank you for everything that you do, and again, I hope that you have a very happy Eid. From my family to you, thank you.
Hi, my name is State Senator Scott Survell, and I'm just touching base here to wish everybody a happy and safe Eid. I represent the 36th Senate District, which is Eastern Prince William and Fairfax counties and Stafford, and I just want to say thank you for all you all do to make our community the vibrant and wonderful and diverse place that it is, and hope everybody stays safe during this time. And I'm sorry I can't be with you, but next year we'll hopefully be back to normal and be happy to come and celebrate with you. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Ghazala Hashmi, State Senator for Virginia's 10th Senatorial District. I want to wish you and your families Eid Mubarak. I know that this particular Ramadan has been a uniquely challenging one for many of our families, and yet despite the difficulties, so many of you have continued to do extraordinary work. Thank you for your efforts in providing healthcare services or educating our children or making sure that food and relief reaches the families in need. For your donations of time and money and effort, thank you. I hope that your families continue to be safe, continue to be healthy, and I hope for you a very blessed Eid.
Eid Mubarak to all. Thank you for letting me share in this holiday. The pandemic has separated friends and fellow worshipers, but your commitment to faith and community is so deeply impressive, and I'm honored to share this message with you. And I want to thank each and every one of you for the gifts you have provided to people who are in need, whether it's food or other services. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. I hope that every one of you has a blessed, joyous, and safe end to this Ramadan.
Salam. Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid. I am Delegate Kay Corey. I represent the 38th District. I wish you a blessed Eid. Enjoy your family and friends.
Hi, this is Senator Chuck Schumer. To all those across New York and across America celebrating the end of Ramadan, it is my hope that during the past month of fasting and renewal, you and your families have been kept safe and found strength in God and in each other. I want to offer my special thanks to everyone who has taken the time during this pandemic to serve the people most devastated by this disease, including by helping the poor, the hungry, and our healthcare workers who are on the front lines. You have done life-saving work, and I am thankful. We are all in this together, and I promise to stand in solidarity with the Muslim community today and every day as we rebuild this great nation and answer the call to serve one another. I wish you all good health, and may you be filled with joy.
Hi everyone, Eid Mubarak to you. Hi again, this is Congresswoman Bonnie Watson Coleman, and I just wanted to take a moment to send you a greeting during this time of celebration. The end of Ramadan looks very different this year without the large gatherings and community gatherings that you're likely used to. Like many of our biggest moments this year, you're likely at home with your immediate family and using technology to connect with others. Well, luckily, that doesn't make it any less special. As we all continue to live through this, I am so amazed by the way we're doing it together, the way that we're supporting our neighbors and our family, and the way that we have found new ways to keep in touch with people who are near and far. It is that kind of resiliency that lets me know that we're going to emerge from this stronger than ever. So I hope you enjoy your Eid celebrations, and I want you to continue to stay home and stay safe. God bless you.
Hello, my brothers and sisters. It's Congressman Dean Phillips here to share my heartfelt greetings and wishes for a joyful Eid. I know that during this sacred month of fasting that your lives have been significantly altered, making this time incredibly different from those in the past. Be it physical distancing from extended families and loved ones, to being unable to attend your mosques for prayer. This has been a month of change for all of us. And yet, through it all, you've shown the spirit and fortitude that has come to define our wonderful Muslim community. So today I extend to all of you the same love, acceptance, and kindness that you have all shown me. So from all of us here on the Dean team, Eid Mubarak.